everybody, it's a little late, but today I'm doing an unboxing of the Simon Says September kit, and I am super excited about it to see all the goodies in here. I've been waiting and waiting, and they had a delay in sending them out because of production, so let's get started and see what we've got. Oh my goodness. Look at these goodies. Oh, first of all, these are just absolutely adorable. They're mini cards and envelopes. Oh, do I have some ideas for these. So, oh, they're just absolutely so cute. Oh, yes. Oh, there's 12 of them. Oh, we're going to have fun with this. All right. Okay, we've got the die Sending Smiles with a cloud. That will be fun to play with. We have a KRAFT size A2 envelope. Well, no, it's actually smaller than an A2. There's the other envelope. Ah, so I have to check that out. Let's see. We've got our stamp member for reminding us for September. Oh, the pretty paper. Let's look. Sunglasses. We've got sparkles. Looks like swirls. Stripes. Let's see what else. Oh, that's really pretty. I love paper that has multicolors in it. Looks like almost like a kaleidoscope here. Ink blots. Oh, those are pretty. Let's see. Oh, a town. Now that's going to go good with the August card kit to use as a background. Ooh, this is pretty. I love the fades of the hello. And oh, the little snapshots. This is great for scrapbooking. And that's pretty. It's like an animal print. Ooh, that's really pretty too. Oh, the palm trees. That's really summery. Ooh, I love this. Now, this has really caught my eye. I love the paper airplanes. That's fun. It says dream. Love this. Here we go. Relaxing. Memories. And here's stripes of different types. Oh, look, little envelopes. You could use this as a background, or you could even cut out the little envelopes and use them on cards. They are super cute. Oh, these are beautiful too. I love all the colors. Look, some more scrapbooking things that you could use for scrapbooks or for your cards. This is great. Oh, that's pretty paper. And this is fun too. I really like this. Oh, and this would be great for a card sending to somebody somewhere else. Look at the stamp set we've got. Ooh, look at all those sayings. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to showcase this over the next week. Oh, we'll have to have a video for Tuesday showing all this lovely stuff. Ooh, I got me some sparkle, and I love sparkle. Yay! So we can make shaker cards or just take our cards up a notch with a little bit of sparkle. Oh, and we've got a jewel picker. These are wonderful. I probably need to use this more and get more proficient with the jewel picker. I tend to use my fingers, and I mean, they work, but it's probably I'm making it harder on myself. And we have some different inspirations here from Simon Says. Look at that beautiful purple cardstock. Now, I am a purple girl. That's one of my favorite colors. Ooh, I love this too. Oh, wow, and the pink. Oh, this is beautiful. Happy, happy colors. And we've got an ivory color and a bright gold. And not to count the candy. Yay! Well, anyway, I'm so excited that you popped in to see all the goodies with me. This is a lot of fun. I love unboxing this, and this is the first time I've ever unboxed it online, but thanks for stopping by. I ask that you check out my other videos and subscribe if you like. And see me next week when I'll have some more inspirational cards for you. See you later. Be happy, be yourself, and spread joy. Remember, every card you make is a reflection of you.